Hello everyone, we have another tutorial for you today. We're going to be learning how to copy a course. So the first thing again is we need to log into our teacher account, and we can do that by going to dashboard.learnlounge.games/login. And on this page we need to go and fill in our information to sign in. So let's put in our email. Oh, messed up a little bit there. recordingemail@gmail.com. And I'm just using the tutorial email for this video. Okay, so we'll click sign in. And we're back to our dashboard home page, just like last time. And so on the home page, we can either click on copy course here for the little shortcut, or if we click on courses to open up our menu. Okay, last time we created our first course, and so that's listed here. But if we want to copy that, we need to use this link right here, copy course. Okay, but first, let's go into the course that we are wanting to copy. So let's say we want to copy this course and we want to copy it into the second one. Okay, we are going to need this course code right here. Oh, there we go, right here. So 249528. You can either memorize it and then type it in later, or you can right click on it, hit copy. Okay, so now it's copied to our clipboard. And then over here in our menu, we can click on copy course. Okay, and we need to either type it in or you can paste it here. Right click and then click paste. And so it's going to take all of the information from this first course, and we're going to hit copy, and it's going to copy that information into this new course that we're creating. So let's change the name because we don't want it to be the exact same, right? Let's call it second course. And now let's say ninth grade math stuff part 2 for the description. And now, that first period is ended. They finished on the 12th. So let's just change the dates. Whatever it is that you need it to be. Let's say week 2, June 15th through June 19th. And then we can choose the display order for the questions again. So let's just choose, let's randomize it this time. Okay, once you're happy with all of that, we can hit create course. And now we are in our second course that we just copied. You can see right here, the name of this is called second course. And to check, okay, that this is the same course that we copied from the first one, we'll hit questions. And then notice that these were the questions that we created for the first course. And since we copied it over into the second course, this course is going to have the same questions as well. Okay, so going back, okay, so we want to check the second course. All right, this is going to be our new course code right here, 998342. And then, right now we just created, so we don't have any students yet. And then these are the new dates, June 15th through June 19th. And this time we chose random. And then notice that the description is also updated, and that it now says ninth grade math stuff part 2. Okay, so this course is now a carbon copy of the first course. Okay, the questions are the same, and we just updated the description, the dates, and then you get a new course code for this one. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. This is how to copy a course. Take care.